Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense looks at the past from the future. How do we make the future perfect continuous tense? The structure of the future perfect continuous tense is 1. Positive sentence. Form. Subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. For example, I'll have been learning accounting at university. She'll have been working in a restaurant. 2. Negative sentence. Form. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. For negative sentences in the future perfect continuous tense, we insert not between will and have. For example, I won't have been learning accounting at university. She won't have been working in a restaurant. 3. Question sentence. Form. Will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and will. For example, will you have been learning accounting at university? Will she have been working in a restaurant? How do we use the future perfect continuous tense? The future perfect continuous tense is like the future perfect tense, but it expresses longer actions or states extending up to some specific event or time in the future. For example, Ram starts waiting at 9 a.m. I am late and cannot arrive before 10 a.m. Ram will have been waiting for an hour by the time I meet him. Ram will have been waiting for 1 hour when I arrive. Notice that the long action or state can start at any time in the past, present or future, but of course it always ends in the future. Next Monday we will have been living here for exactly 5 years. Look at these examples. He'll be tired when he gets here. He'll have been traveling all day. How long will Joe have been working when he retires? Next month I'll have been studying Chinese for 2 years. Will you have been working when I arrive? He won't have been studying long enough to qualify. Next week Jane is going to swim from England to France. By the time she gets to France she'll have been swimming non-stop for over 13 hours. Note that continuous tenses are also called progressive tenses. So the future perfect continuous tense is sometimes called the future perfect progressive tense. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.